South America hosts its first ever Summer Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro in 2016. 10,500 athletes from 206 different countries are participating in the event from the 5th to the 21st of August. 306 medals are up for grabs in the 42 sports contested, and in 2016 there are 2 new additions. Golf returns to the Games after a 112-year absence, and rugby after 92 years. The competition venues are spread across 4 zones of the city: Maracana, whose famous stadium hosts the opening and closing ceremonies, Copacabana, Barra and Deodoro. 5 other cities across Brazil are also hosting football events. 7.5 million tickets are on sale, with just over half available for $30 or less. The most expensive seats at the Maracana opening ceremony reach as much as $2,000. Rio has been racing against the clock to overhaul infrastructure in the lead up to the Games, due to cost more than $12 billion.